Hello, good morning. This is Nedi, your forex coach, and welcome to a brand new week. This Profit Plus Trading Academy. This morning we are looking at taking a fresh trade on CHFJPY. And over the weeks on this 4 hour time frame, you can see that this pair had been strongly bullish, making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, it's been making higher highs and higher lows on you can find this trend line, very strong trend line. It's been broken. This one got broken. And before now, we observed around Thursday, Friday, a strengthening of the Japanese yen. And this, we are speculating, could be either a body language coming from the Bank of Japan, towards strengthening the yen, because they usually would use a balance in the USD JPY pair, all right? Whenever the USD JPY, the exchange rate is above 145, yen per dollar, all right? So the Bank of Japan usually will come strong, strengthening the yen. And this to do by increasing interest rates, okay? And we observe that for the past 3, 4 years now, specifically since after the COVID, inflation had to ravage a lot of economies that made the major central banks around the world to increase interest rates. But Bank of Japan is one of those countries, okay, one of those central banks that refuse to hike their interest rate. But it seems that something is happening in the background as you can see it reflecting on the chart. Okay, CHFJPY has been strongly bullish, right, until last week, Thursday, till today. And technically, we are seeing a break of this trend line. All right, this blue dotted line, we are seeing our weekly highs and lows. Okay, so we see a break of this level. We see price move down into this our the 4 hour point of interest around 105, you know, um, Swiss francs. Okay, that's around this level. All right, so we have carefully looked at these and strongly speculate that price would continue bearish, okay, from now into the New York section. And in trading our signals, okay, I just want to take time to explain what this diagram, because you're going to be seeing it very often. All right. So if you see this, see the red part of this uh, diagram here, the price on top here, just at the end of the red portion of this rectangle block here, is the stop loss. So in this case, 168.142 is actually the stop loss. And our entry is 167.637, supposed to be our entry price. Okay. So anytime you see me post signals and you are seeing three profit targets, like you can see here, 1, 2, and 3. What this actually means is that you're going to take three trades. You're going to take three trades. You're going to open three positions on this particular currency pair. And of course, you have to bear in mind your risk measures. That does not mean you're going to, expose your accounts. You also have to calculate per position how much you are risking per position. And we recommend that you risk just 1% of your trading account per position. 1% of your trading account per position. So if you are trading, it means you're opening three positions here. So if you're opening these three positions, it means that on this particular trade call, you are risking 3% of your account. 3% of your account, while you are targeting as much as 6%, because this has a multiplier effect when the profits, levels have been, mitigated. All right, so it means you take three positions. So if your account, for instance, is $500, I expect it to be running on a maximum of 0.1, 0.01, for each position. 0.01 for each position, making allowance for any other trading opportunities that may come until these three positions you are opening, right, will be closed. Okay, so I thought to bring you this. And of course, most other JPY pairs would be moving down. So you can see GBP, JPY is still bearish, Euro JPY bearish, AUD JPY, they're all bearish. On the 4 hour time frame, the trend line has been broken, and we'll expect this trend line to remain broken and price continuing, down south until our third profit target is it. So we should is our this is our second trade call for the week, and I expect that this moves in our way. So I'll see you again in our next short video.